retrievable involving the said subscriber identity module. If you ask me if meron na dito sa Region 6, may nag-request na and it was successful sa PINA. Meron na ding na-filean ng case because of the disclosure. Unfortunately, dito yung biktima, pero the case was pending in Butuan and in Zamboanga. Kasi yung nangyari doon, yung SIM card na nawala, hindi yan pina-deactivate, napulot ng iba, ginamit pang scam. Yung na-biktima sa Zamboanga, nag-file ng case doon, siya yung na-disclose na information is the registered owner. Yung registered owner, yung na-filean ng case. So, it's still pending sa Zamboanga and Butuan, but we are also assisting, no, kasi naawa din kami sa tao na yun, na walang kamalay-malay, siya yung accused sa isang estafa at online fraud. So, hopefully, it will be dismissed. He can all provide evidence na hindi siya yung scammer. That's why it's important, if nawala yung SIM, pa-deactivate, request for blocking. If you still want to use the same number, request sa telco to be issued the same number. Kasi baka mapulot yan at bibili ng mga scammers, gagamitin pang scam sa iba. May biktima na maraming resources, nag-file ng case, pag-disclose ng information, ikaw pala yung registered owner. So kaso naman, you need to file a counter affidavit. You need to report in court. Tapos na, ikaw kayong ma-arraignment for the said online fraud. But, sa PINA and warranty disclose. The procedure for detection and filing of complaints, yung my brothers from the NBI and from Taraco, alam mo din ano, but I just want to point out na ang yung role ng NDC dito is yung preservation ng data. Once there is an incident, you can request preservation of any retrievable data involving SIM cards or subscriber identity module from the NDC, and we will order the telco involved, kung Smartnet or Globe or Gito, to preserve data retrievable from date whatever, from August 1 to blah blah blah. They will preserve that. But the SIM registration information is already preserved for 10 years. What do you mean by data with that? Call logs. Para malaman kung sinong tumawag, anong phone yung na-receive na phone call. So that is preserved. But we could not disclose. Preservation is different from disclosure. So immediately after a crime happened or incident, you can request kung identified person yan ng isang na-crime, including murder, kidnapping, etc., terrorism, pwede po request. That does not only involve scamming, other crimes also, using SIM card or subscriber identity modules. Once you preserve, of course, it will require time for our authorities to build a case. Then if kung meron na, and then to judge, pag may there's a probable cause to issue a warrant, then yung warrant na order na yan to disclose the information, yan yung disclose ng telco with regards to the preservation. Any data preserved, disclose yan. Yan yung gagamitin sa kaso or to implicate the accused. So that is the investigation process and procedure, which wala po sa NTC. We do not investigate. That is under the jurisdiction of our law enforcement officers, as the NBI and our friends in RACU.